Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello my dear students, welcome back to Christ King online class. In today's session, we are going to learn about the how to write the subsets of a given set as well as the number of possible subsets of a set as well as some of the problems related to these subsets. Okay, yes. See, in the last session we have studied about what you mean by subsets of a set, isn't it? Okay, so today I'll consider few points regarding to that subset. Okay, just I'll write down note the number of, before that, for any given set A, for any given set A, for any given set A, the number of all possible subset of A are given by 2 to the power n. Okay, 2 to the power n. Okay, see, where n is nothing but number of elements of a set A. Okay, yes, you just remember this. Okay, see, for any given set A, okay, so I will consider one particular set A. Okay, for any set A, the number of all possible subset of A. Okay, for any given set A, what is the number of possible subsets? The number of possible subsets are given by 2 to the power n. Okay, by using this formula 2 to the power n, we can calculate the number of subsets of a given set. Okay, so where n is nothing but number of elements of a set A. Okay, suppose your set A suppose the set A has 2 elements. Okay, for example, this is one set A I'll consider. Okay, so how many elements are there in a set A? There are only 2 elements, isn't it? So now what is the number of possible subsets of this A? That is given by 2 to the power 2. Okay, because here 2 elements are there, so 2 to the power 2. Your formula is 2 to the power n. In the place of n, just replace 2. 2 to the power 2 is nothing but 4, isn't it? So therefore totally 4 subsets are possible from this set A. Okay, yes. So just remember this formula 2 to the power n. Okay, for any set A, what is the number of subsets? 2 to the power n. Okay, n is nothing but number of elements of a set A. Okay, yes. Now we'll solve the problems related to this. I'll take problem. Write down all the subsets of a following set. The first problem, set A equal to set containing A comma B. Okay, yes. So what you have to do now? Write down all the subsets of a following set. Okay, one set they have given here, that is set A equal to set containing A comma B. Okay, so what you have to do now? You have to write the subset for this set A. Okay, so first I will calculate what is the number of possible subsets. Okay, yes. So here what is the value of n? N is nothing but number of elements of a set A. What is the number of element? Here you have 2 elements. So therefore n is equal to 2. Okay, n is equal to 2. So therefore number of subsets equal to how much? Since the value of n is equal to 2, what is the number of subsets? Number of subsets is given by which formula? 2 to the power n. So this is equal to n value is 2. So 2 square equal to how much? 4. So therefore there are totally 4 subsets are there. There are totally 4 subsets. So which are those 4 subsets? Okay, so we'll write the subsets for this given set A. Okay, how to write? Okay, see, we know that empty set is a subset of all set, isn't it? So therefore can I say this is a symbol for the empty set, isn't it? Can I say this empty set is one of the subset of the set A? Yes. Okay, also this is one subset we obtain. Also we know that every set is a subset of itself, isn't it? So therefore can I say this set containing A comma B is a subset of itself. We have studied in our previous session. Every set is a subset of itself, isn't it? So therefore the set A itself is a subset of A, isn't it? Okay, next. So this is a second subset. What about third subset? Okay, what is the first element here? A, isn't it? So therefore set containing A is another subset for this set A. Okay, comma, what is the second element? B. So set containing B is another subset of this set A. Okay, count once. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 4 are the subsets of a given set A. Okay, by this way we can write the subset, isn't it? Okay, so next second question I'll consider. Set B is equal to set containing 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, set B is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 I'll consider. Okay, now can you tell me what is the number of possible subsets for this set B? Okay, yes, so just write the value of n. Okay, n is equal to how much? Number of elements 1, 2, 3. So therefore n is equal to 3, isn't it? So therefore number of subsets equal to formula 2 to the power n, but n is equal to 3 here. Okay, 2 cube is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2. How much? 8, isn't it? So therefore there are totally 8 possible subsets for this given set B. Okay, yes. Now write down which are those subsets. Okay, so I'll write down these subsets. The first one I already informed. Empty set is a subset of every set, isn't it? So therefore first set is about to empty set. Okay, next we know that this set 1 comma 2 comma 3 is itself a subset of that set, isn't it? Okay, so this is 1 2 3 is a subset of itself. Okay, so therefore I can write 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, one is empty set and that set itself is a subset. Okay, yes. So next we'll take single element. Next we'll take two elements. Okay, yes, comma, what is the first element? 2, 1. So therefore set containing 1 is a subset of this set B. Next another element is 2. So set containing 2 is another subset for this given set B. Next I'll take another element. Set containing 3 is another subset for this set B. Okay. Next now I'll consider two elements. Okay. Once you write all the one element, next take two elements. Okay. Yes. So set containing, consider first two elements, which are those 1, 2. Okay. So set containing 1, 2 is another subset. Next take 1, 3. First one and second one. Now consider first one and third one. Okay. Set containing 1, 3. Okay. Now consider second one and third one. Second one and third one. 2, 3. Okay. 2, 3. First consider 1, 2. Next consider 1, 3. Next consider 2, 3. Okay. Can I consider 3, 1? Because 3, 1 is nothing but 1, 3 itself already written, isn't it? Next, can I consider 3, 2? 3, 2 already written here. 2, 3 written. Okay. So therefore, these are the possible subsets. Okay. You just count once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are totally 8 subsets, isn't it? Totally 8 subsets. Okay. Yes. So this is about second question. So now I will consider another question, third question. Set C is equal to set containing A. Set C is equal to set containing A. Okay. Yes. So first I will write the number of possible subsets. Okay. Yes. N value. What is the value of N? N is nothing but number of elements. How many number of element? 1. Only one element. Isn't it? Okay. So number of subsets. Now number of subsets. Okay. What is the formula? 2 to the power N. But in the place of N substitute 1. So 2 to the power 1. So 2 to the power 1 is nothing but 2 itself, isn't it? So therefore, what is the number of possible subsets? Number of possible subsets is given by 2. Okay. So now we'll write down the subsets. Okay. Which are those subsets? Okay. Yes. Tell me which are those subsets. First one I already told. What is that? Empty set. Okay. Empty set is a subset of every set. Okay. So therefore, I'll write this empty set. Okay. So empty set is the first subset of this given set. Next, this set itself is a subset of that set. Okay. So set containing A is another subset of this given set C. Okay. Next, do you have any other element? No, not there, isn't it? So therefore, which are the possible subsets for this given set? That is empty set and set containing A. Okay. So just count once. What is the number of subsets? 2. So 1, 2. So these two are the subsets for this given set. Okay. So this is about the subsets. Okay. So we'll take down another question. Fourth question. Fourth one, what is this? Null set, isn't it? Okay. So now you have to write the subsets for this null set. Okay. Yes. First I will write the number of possible subsets. Okay. Yes. So what is the value of N? Okay. Do you have any element here? No, isn't it? So therefore N is equal to 0. Empty set means no element. No element. Okay, that means N is equal to 0. Okay. So now number of subsets. Number of subsets. Okay, what is the formula? 2 to the power N. In the place of N substitute 0. So 2 to the power 0 equal to how much? 1. Right? So now we'll write the subset. Okay. So empty set, this empty set itself is a subset of this empty set, isn't it? So only one subset is possible, that is a empty set only. Okay. So therefore this empty set is a subset of this set. Okay. So number of possible subset is 1. So only one subset, that is that set itself is a subset. Okay. So this is about to subsets, how to write these subsets for a given set. Okay. Yes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.